Hello everyone, my name is Mako. We're gonna do 10 minutes full body Pilates flow designed to connect your breath, awaken your body. Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get started. So we're gonna start with pelvic curl first. Bring your arms in front of you. Slowly roll down, create C curve all the way down and up. And then bring your feet towards your thigh. We're gonna create neutral position first, which is there's some space between your lower back and then also between your lower back and mat. Create neutral position. Inhale, long neck, relax your shoulder. Exhale, bring your belly button all the way down to the mat and then start curving your pelvis up and then come back to neutral position. Inhale, exhale, close your rib cage, bring your belly all the way down to the mat and then start curving your pelvis. One more time, inhale, exhale, bring your belly down, draw your abdominals in and pelvis up. Now this time we're gonna bring your pelvis all the way up to the ceiling. Inhale to the top, exhale, roll down, articulate your spine bone by bone all the way down to the floor. Pelvis still curving. And then now create neutral position one more time. Strong neck, relax your shoulder. Inhale, exhale, bring your belly down, all the way down. Pelvis started curving. Exhale. Inhale to the top. Exhale, slowly roll down, articulate your spine. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, slowly roll up. Okay, and then we're gonna bring your left leg tabletop position and down, down, exhale up, down, exhale up, down, two more, exhale up, up and down, and heels down. Your pelvis keep up to the ceiling. Inhale, bring your left leg tabletop position. Keep stable pelvis. Inhale, exhale up, exhale up, exhale up. Three more, exhale up, exhale up. Last one, exhale up. Heels down, inhale to the top. Exhale, articulate your spine all the way down to the mat. Okay, and then we're gonna bring your legs to tabletop position and then bring your arms up overhead. And then we're gonna do 100 prep. Exhale up. Inhale, your hand up and head down. Arms overhead. Exhale up. Eyes gazing between your knees. Inhale, hand up and head down. Arms overhead. Exhale up. Inhale. Exhale down. And then we're gonna do 100. We're gonna bring your arm right next to you. Straight your leg. Prepare. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 20 more, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, bend your leg, hand up, head down, and then bring your knee, rock your knee side to side. Okay, and then we're gonna straighten your leg, arms overhead. Inhale, chest lift, head up. Slowly roll up, create C curve, and then spine up. Okay, and then this time we're gonna bring your hands behind you, fingers towards your body, and then we're gonna do back support. Exhale up, inhale down, up, and exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, 3 more, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up. Now we're gonna hold here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then bring your right leg up to the ceiling. Exhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the other foot. Exhale up, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then bring your pelvis up to the ceiling. Exhale, slowly roll down. Okay, and then bring your arms in front of you. Slowly roll down. Legs straight and head down, and then bring your legs tabletop position, and then straight your leg. Bring your legs towards your chest. Your arms holding like a book. Exhale in, 2, inhale, exhale in, exhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, 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 1 more each side. Exhale, 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 exhale. Now bring your arms behind your head. Exhale, 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 and bring your legs up to the ceiling and slowly roll down. Okay, and then we're gonna bring your arms overhead. Slowly roll up, and then we're gonna bring your body to cradle pose position. Your wrist underneath your shoulder, parallel position, legs with shoulder width distance, and then bring your both leg lift and down. Hip pelvis neutral position. Exhale up, down, exhale up, down, exhale up, down, exhale up, down. Bring your legs down to the floor. We're gonna be kneeling onto the floor. And then bring your right arm underneath your shoulder. And then bring your right leg behind. And then bring your left arm behind your head. Left leg lift. Exhale, 1, 2. Point, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, exhale, point. Inhale, inhale, flex. Exhale, exhale, point. Inhale, inhale, flex. Exhale, exhale, point. Inhale, inhale. Okay, and then let's do the other side. Bring your right leg straight, right arm behind you. Lift your right leg, flex. Exhale, exhale, point. Inhale, inhale. Exhale, exhale, point. Inhale, inhale, flex. Exhale, exhale, point. Inhale, inhale, two more. Exhale, exhale, point. Inhale, inhale. Exhale, exhale, point. Inhale, inhale. Let's do stretch to this side. And let's stretch to the other side. Okay. And then we're gonna do back extension series. We're gonna bring your arms right next to you. Keep engaging your abs and also legs. We're gonna inhale, lift your head up. Exhale down, lift. Use your mid back to support all your body. Inhale up. Exhale down, two more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one, inhale up. Okay, and then bring your arms in front of you. Open your legs, and then we're gonna do swimming. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your elbow bend, and then let's do resting position. Take 3 deep breaths. And then slowly roll up. Let's finish with roll down, roll up. We're gonna stand onto the floor. Inhale. Exhale, slowly roll down from tip of your head, upper spine, lower back, all the way down. Soften your knees, relax your shoulder. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale, pull your abdominals in. And then slowly roll up. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this Pilates flow. Thank you. Hi, my name is Mako. I'm certified Pilates instructor. I have Pilates, yoga, pickleball activewear on my website. Please check Fieldtime.store or check in my bio. 皆さんこんにちは、マコです。アメリカでピラティスのインストラクターをやっています。ピラティスとヨガとピックルボールのアクティブウェアのサイトがあるので、ぜひ Fieldtime.store でチェックしてみてください。それか私のバイオをチェックしてください。